Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure 2 cups granulated sugar, 2/3 cup light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water into a heavy 2-quart saucepan and stir gently to combine. Clip a candy thermometer to the pan so it reads the syrup, and arrange Lollipop sticks about 3 inches long on a silicone mat or lined baking sheet. Keep 1 teaspoon flavoring and 3 to 5 drops food coloring ready. Do not add them yet. Prepare a small cup of vegetable oil to lightly oil a spoon or spatula for handling hot syrup safely during the pour. Set the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, stop stirring to avoid crystallization. Cook the syrup while monitoring the candy thermometer and continue until it reaches 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, which produces a brittle, glassy candy. If foam forms on the surface, skim it off carefully with an oiled spoon to keep clear lollipops. Remove the pan from heat the instant it hits 300 degrees F, and wait 30 seconds off the heat before proceeding to flavor and color additions. After removing the pan from heat and waiting about 30 seconds, stir in 1 teaspoon flavoring and 3 to 5 drops food coloring to the hot syrup, mixing gently but quickly. Immediately spoon or pour the syrup into silicone molds or onto the mat in round shapes, inserting a 3-inch lollipop stick into each warm candy while the surface is still tacky so the stick bonds. Let the lollipops cool undisturbed for at least 15 minutes until fully hard, then wrap each in cellophane and store in an airtight container. Properly stored, they remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.